Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Taniksha channel. Students, in this video we are going to learn about IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds. So students, already I have made videos on IUPAC nomenclature of cyclic compounds and linear chain compounds. So if you have not watched, you can go to the playlist and you can watch those videos. Now coming to IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds. So students, first let us learn IUPAC nomenclature of benzene. So what is the molecular formula for benzene? It is C6H6. So this is the molecular formula for benzene. So let us write the structure. How many carbon atoms are present? There are 6 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many hydrogen atoms are there? There are 6 hydrogen atoms. So each carbon will be attached to one hydrogen atom. And alternating double and single bond will be present. So double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So this is the structure of benzene. So coming to IUPAC nomenclature. So now 6 carbon atoms are present in the cyclic form. So you will write it as cyclohex. Why hex? Because 6 carbon atoms are present. And then double bond, where it is present, we have to write the position. So let us number the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms. So now this double bond is present between carbon 1 and carbon 2. So you have to write the smallest number. So between 1 and 2, smallest number is 1. So 1, comma. Between 3 and 4, double bond is present. Smallest number is 3. And between 5 and 6, double bond is present. Smallest number will be 5. So 1, 3, 5. How many double bonds are present? There are 3 double bonds. So you will be writing it as triene. Ene means double bond. Triene means 3 double bonds. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature of benzene. Is that clear? So benzene can also be written in different forms. So that is, it can be written like this. In the simplest way, you know that. It can also be written like this. These are the various types of representation of benzene. It can be written like this, PHH, and then like this. So this is benzene. Benzene can be represented in different forms. So now students, how many hydrogen atoms are there? There are 6 hydrogen atoms. Suppose if I remove one hydrogen atom, it becomes C6H5. So here I'll write C6H5 bond. So this group is called as phenyl group. So that is only one H I have removed. So it becomes C6H5 bond. So this will be phenyl group. So it can also be represented like this. It can also be represented like this. So phenyl group can be represented in different forms like this. Phenyl, PHENYL. So these are the phenyl groups. So this is very important while we are naming the compounds. So now simplest compound, let us take some example and we will try to write the IUPAC name. So first example, benzene ring, to this chloro group is attached. So how to name this? So students, how you will name is, so this will become prefix. Chloro group is the prefix and then you will write benzene. So it becomes chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature. So you will get the doubt whether I have to write 1. So it is not required. You can write 1-chlorobenzene or you can just write it as chlorobenzene. So let us take one more example. So here second example is NO2. One more example we will take NO. So now how to name this? This is nitro group. So you will be writing this as nitrobenzene and NO is nitroso. So this will be nitrosobenzene. So is that clear? So now we will take one more example. If two substituents are there, how to write the IUPAC nomenclature? So benzene ring. So here I'll write bromo group and here I'll write NO2 nitro group. So now if two substituents are there, you have to number the carbon atoms of the benzene. So how to number, students, now? Whether I have to start numbering from here 1, 2, 3 or should I start numbering from this side 1, 2, 3? How I have to start? So students always start alphabetical order. So this is bromo. Bromo starts with B. And this is nitro. Nitro starts with N. So alphabetically which will come first? Bromo will come first. Therefore start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3. So at position 1 you have bromo group. So you will write it as 1 bromo and this is 3 nitrobenzene. So this is how you will write IUPAC if two substituents are present. If two substituents are present, so first you have to number the carbon atoms according to alphabetical order and then you have to write the IUPAC name. So is that clear? So we will take some more example. So now first let us name this mono-substituted benzene. Mono-substituted benzene means on the benzene ring only one substituent will be present. So here you can see CH3 is attached to benzene. CH3 is nothing but methyl group. So this will be methyl benzene. And here OCH3 is attached to benzene. So this is called as methoxy group. So CH3 is methyl. So this is oxygen. So it becomes methoxy. Methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene. And here NH2. So NH2 is called as amino group. So when you are writing in the prefix, it becomes amino. Suppose if you write this in the suffix, it becomes amine. So but here we will be writing it as prefix. Therefore it becomes amino. So aminobenzene. Aminobenzene. So these are the IUPAC nomenclature. So now they have common name as well, which is very important, you have to remember. So what is the common name for methyl benzene? It is toluene. So toluene is the common name. And coming to methoxybenzene, common name will be anisole. And here aminobenzene, common name will be aniline. So these are the common names. So now we will go for di-substituted benzene. So students, as I said, di-substituted benzene you have to number. So this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2. Or you can number from here also 1, 2, it is the same. So at position 1 and 2, there are two bromo groups. So you will write it as 1, 2 dibromobenzene. And here 1, 2, 3. So it is 1, 3 dibromobenzene. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1, 4 dibromobenzene. So is that clear? So it can also be named in ortho, meta and para names. So how to give ortho, meta and para names? So one example I will give you. See here, suppose there is benzene ring and there is a group attached to that. So ortho, meta and para can be named only when two substituents are present. So here one group I will take. So next group can be present anywhere here. So students, here this is the group, the next carbon group. So here this position and this. So these two are ortho positions. This and this meta position. And this will be para position. So see here, suppose I'll take one more benzene ring and I will write here the group is present. So can you name which is ortho, meta and para positions? So this is the group. Next position, this two will be ortho positions. This two will be meta positions and this will be para position. So totally two ortho position will be there, two meta and one para position will be present. So now coming to this. So here this is the group. So here this will be the ortho position. So since this bromo group is present in the ortho position, so we can name this as ortho dibromo benzene. And here, so here this is ortho position and this will be meta position. So you will write it as meta dibromo benzene. And now here this two are ortho position, this two are meta position, and here this will be para position. So you will write it as para dibromo benzene. So students, ortho, meta and para. So it should be in small letter. So O is ortho, M is meta and P is para. So we'll take some more example. So one more example for di-substituted compounds. So here you can see two OH groups are present, two alcohol groups are present. So now if two alcohol groups are there, how do we name this? So you can name this as benzene. Students, when substituents are present, it will be in the prefix. When functional groups are there, you will be writing after benzene. So here this is 1 and this is position 2. So you will write it as benzene 1, 2, diol. So OL, all means it is alcohol. So this is benzene 1, 2, diol. And here 1, 2, 3. So it will be benzene 1, 3 diol. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be benzene 1, 4 diol. So students, this is the IUPAC nomenclature. And in the bracket I have written there common name which you have to remember. So this is catechol. So 1, 2 diol is called as catechol, and resorcinol. So if OH group is present at 1 and 3 position, it is called as resorcinol. And then if it is present at position 1 and 4, it is called as hydroquinol. So these are the common names. Next, for tri-substituted benzene. So students, here if 3 substituents are there, so from where we have to start numbering? So you have to follow lowest sum rule. That is, the substituents should get the smallest number. So see here, if I number from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. So substituents are getting number 1, 2 and 4. Suppose if I number from this side. So if I number from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let me write here. If I number from here, the substituents are getting at position 1, there is chloro group 1. Position 2, nitro group is present. Position 4, nitro group is present. So if I number from this side, suppose if I number from this side, you see this is 1. At position 1 there is nitro group, 2, 3. So at position 3 there is nitro group, and at position 4 there is chloro group. So see here which is better numbering. So this will be the one, because the lowest number is here. 1 1 is okay, but see here this is the lowest number compared to this. So that is why we are choosing this one. 1 2 3 4. So 1 chloro, 1 chloro, 2 comma 4 dinitro, 2 comma 4 dinitro benzene. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature. So coming to this one. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see at position 1 there is methyl group. So 1, and at position 2 there is chloro group. So students, one more thing what we have to keep in mind is, while writing the IUPAC nomenclature, it should be written according to their alphabetical order. So that is C will come first, chloro. So you should write 2 chloro, and then this is methyl and this is nitro. So methyl is M, this is N. So this will come first. So 1 methyl, 4 nitro benzene. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. So next, so students, some examples I have taken from the textbook. So if the name IUPAC nomenclature is given, how to write the structure we will see now. So now this is orthoethyl anisole. So anisole, I told you to remember the structure, that is methoxybenzene is called as anisole, that is this one, OCH3. So anisole is this, OCH3. So at ortho position what is present? At ortho position there is ethyl group. So here this will be the ortho position, this will be the ortho position. So here to this ortho position write ethyl group. Ethyl is C2H5. So this is the structure. Next is para-nitroaniline. So now we will write the structure for aniline. So aniline is this, NH2 attached to benzene ring. At para position what is present? At para position nitro group is present. So these two are ortho groups, ortho position. These two are meta position, and this is para position. So at para position we have nitro group. So this is the structure. Next, third one, 2, 3 dibromo 1 phenyl pentane. So pentane. So pentane means 5 carbon atoms will be present. That is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon. So join this. This is carbon 1, this is carbon 2, this is carbon 3, this is carbon 4, this is carbon 5. So at position 2 and 3 dibromo is present. This is position 2. So write bromo group. Position 3 write 1 bromo group. And then at position 1 phenyl group is present. This is 1. So write phenyl group here. So phenyl, I have already thought what is phenyl group. So write that phenyl group here. So this is the structure for this given name. So students, I hope it is clear to you. So now I'll give you one more example. So you can try this and write in the comment section your answer. So simplest one I'll give you. So here there is chloro group. Here I'll write nitro group, and here I'll write chloro group. So write the IUPAC nomenclature of this and write in the comment section. I'll meet you in the next video, students. Bye-bye.